Hey everyone, I'm Gab. Welcome back to my channel where I talk about personal finance and investing. Before we proceed in today's video, just a full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional. I do and create this content for recreational and educational purposes only. So take my advice with a grain of salt and make your own financial decisions. Or you can go seek a professional and they can help you out. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about my new investment, and I thought about getting the PS5 or the Xbox, but they're completely sold out everywhere. So then I thought about investing in new gear instead, and I bought new toys. That's gonna help this channel, and I'm gonna create more content, which is gonna be it's gonna be a surprise. So. Right, so in today's video, what we're going to do is unbox my new toys. So I have my handy dandy tool here, and let's pull out the knife. So, alright, so like I talked about, I was going to buy the PS5, but I barely game, and instead of buying the PS5, I'm going to improve the quality of my YouTube video, this channel right here. Okay, so the new toy that I'm talking about is I bought a new camera and a new lens. So let's unbox this one. On the side, and here it is. I got the new Sony A7S III, and I got the 24-70 GM. It's a 2.8. Yes, I can't wait, guys. I can't wait to create more content and provide more quality to you, because it means a lot. Quality means a lot to me, and I've been using. I actually have a Canon 60 Mark II that I've been using for videos and photos as well. For photos, the Canon 60 Mark II is excellent, but for videos, it's good, but it's not as good as the Sony A7 III, because it's the low light king right now, and it has a great dynamic range, and it has a great sensor and great low light sensitivity. So, and I got the FE 24-17mm as well, with the 2.8 aperture, because I want the best of the best paired with the best of the best Sony camera right now. So that's just me. Alright, let's unbox this. Okay, don't worry about that. We are going to unbox it right now. Oh my god. Okay, this is crazy, guys. Oh, okay. Oh my god. And yeah, the hype is real. The grip is awesome. The C2, and I can quickly access all the buttons, menus, the dials, the joystick, the EVF, the exposure dial. Okay, I can't cuss on YouTube, and I don't cuss at all, but this is crazy good. It handles like a camera. It handles like a Canon 60 Mark II. yeah, so proceed with that. I actually bought a screen for it as well. Let me get it. We're just gonna take out the dust. Okay, now that we are done with the lens protector, so I'll let you show you. So this is the lens protector. It's flushed with the screen, and yes, now that's out of the way, the next unboxing will be the 24-70mm f2.8 lens. Okay, so far the quality of the lens is pretty superb, and you see the focus ring. Wow, that's smooth. Let's get this cracking. It's 132. If you have not invested in a floor, this is by far the best investment in my gear. Alright, so let's click sound. Ooh, that was solid. Okay. Alright, so that's perfect. The weight. Alright guys, that's it. If you have any questions and what you guys, let me know. If you guys want to see something with the camera, I'm going to play with it and master the menus, the buttons, customize the buttons as well. And I'm going to take pictures this afternoon. So if you want to see something specific, let me know, like the size, the weight, and whatever your heart desires. But I'm going to go and have a great day and stay safe and happy holidays. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.